Hello there, my name is Paul Hill and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. Now, real quick, I just want to give you an introduction about me, who I am, so you'll know who you're learning from. Now, let's start with my Udemy experience. And I'll start by saying that I am a part-time Udemy instructor, meaning I work a regular full-time job. Every morning I get up, I go to work, during the week, I come home and I create lectures for you guys and I create courses. So I have over 80,000 students, over 6,000 reviews, and I'm teaching 7 best-selling Udemy courses in their respective categories. Now, you can follow me by going to instructorpaul.com and entering your email address. We'll talk more about that in a little bit, but let's just move on to my IT experience. Now, I have 9 years of IT experience, primarily supporting US DoD agencies and the military. I do a lot of work with Windows Server going from 2008 to 2012 R2, and 2016. Of course, that would include 2008 R2, and a lot more work with 2012 and 2016 nowadays as everyone is phasing out 2008. We do quite a bit of work with Linux, both Red Hat, CentOS, Ubuntu. These are just some examples. There's more that I work with, but I don't want to bore you with all those details. But I also do mass storage work with EMC, like large storage arrays and mass data. I've also worked in roles where I am in charge of the networking aspect of things. Physical routing of cables, handling cables going from the computers to the walls, to the patch panels, and then routing back to the switches. Now, along with that, I've also configured the switches, and generally these were HP and Cisco switches, a few other brands out there, but again, I won't bore you with all those details, but those are other things that I have worked on in my career. Now, along with all of this goes cybersecurity, and what I mean by that is when I was configuring a switch, a lot of times I was responsible for hardening the switch or making it more difficult for people to hack the system or the switch, whatever it may be. So it might be a Windows Server, it might be a Linux operating system or EMC, and I will have to go in and harden it or make it more secure, more difficult for someone to hack. I also do quite a bit of scripting, and here lately I've been doing a lot in Perl on our Linux operating systems at work, but we also use PowerShell, Batch, Bash scripting, a little bit of PHP, etc. So a lot of automation and a lot of scripting. So if you're just getting started in the IT field, you can pick pretty much any one of these categories and just chase them down, try to learn these skills, and you'll be off to a good start in the IT field. So again, like I said, you can follow me by going to instructorpaul.com, enter your email address, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep you up to date on all my new courses that I'm going to release. So when I release a new course, I send out a coupon to all my students so you can get a discount. You don't pay full price for it. Also, I can get you discounts to any course on Udemy. So if you enter your email address there, you'll be saving money not only on my courses, but on all the other courses on Udemy. Okay, so that's enough about me. Let's move on to the next lecture, and I look forward to seeing you in the rest of the course.